Okay, I asked the cast member where's the line. They say it's over there. But apparently the line's closed, so they say they'll be back at 12:30. And before 12 o'clock, I can't wait to meet Princess Peach. You know, beggars cannot be choosers. Hey! Let's see, I could try it out. I don't know how long until the kids are done. There's gotta be more blocks I could find. Excuse me, coming through, excuse me, sorry. Sorry, excuse me. Also try this one. I don't know how long until the kids are done.
It's not super fast to get it all synced up. The person needs to show that she didn't know yours yet. But it's on yours, right?
Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can try. I did it! Okay. Oh! Try a different way. Okay. Okay. I think I did good. Now I can get to Princess Peach. Let's go then. Okay, there's Princess Peach, and the end of the line right here. So good thing I'm your tour guide, so I can guide you, so you know where to find the line. So this is where I'm gonna meet the beautiful Princess Peach. You know how much I enjoy meeting pretty girls like Princess Peach. Well, of course she's not a girl, she's a princess. My favorite princess when I was a little girl, and now I'm get to meet her, my childhood dream of my life. Wow, this game looks fun. I heard it's gonna be like 40 minutes, but it's okay, I could wait longer. I could watch my videos to help me pass the time. Okay, here we go. But first I'm gonna hop a post in Princess Peach property. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Guys, I finally know the Mario is woohoo! Here we go. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to meet Princess Peach. Come on. Oh, there's Princess Peach. Here she comes. Why, hello, Your Highness. Oh.
Wow, look at you.
Wait, thank you, Your Highness. Shall we get the picture together? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hey.
Power up.
Woohoo!
Perfect. Have a wonderful night.
Oh, handshake? How about a hug? Can I have a hug too?
My friend.
You're welcome so much, Peach. You're a great friend, Your Highness. Hey, I'll have fun in the game. See you later.
See you again soon.
You too, Your Highness. was so much fun meeting Pete. Boy, my dream has finally come true. And I'm happy I get to meet the princess, the beautiful Princess Pete. Now, let's see if I can get in the line. Well, just try it again, a little more early. It's not just early. You know, sometimes we gotta try harder, like try early. Okay, according to the cast member, this line should start right here. Now that I'm done with meeting Princess Peach, I can finally get to meet Mario and Luigi. They're next. By the time I finish Super Nintendo World, then I could go meet the mystery game. I'll see when I can meet them. Wow! A piranha plant. It's so, the way it moves around, it acts so real. It's so lifelike. And Bowser's castle, Goombas, a fruit. Koopas. I can't wait to get to see Mario and Luigi. I don't know what would Mario react when he sees we got the colors, the same color schemes of red and blue as he is. Ready or not, here I come. Wait, that music. I don't know if I'm familiar with that music. I don't remember this music. All I know is the original 1980s Mario theme song. Now, let's go.
Bye, bye, bye.
There they are.
Perfect.
I can't believe they're here. Come on, let's go meet them. Hurry up. Come on.
Hello.
Hi, Mario. Hi, Luigi.
Proud to meet you.
My beautiful outfit? Wait, thank you, Luigi. High five. Okay.
Let's take a photo together.
Okay. Everybody say, welcome. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
That's going to be a good one.
Alright. Handshake? You know handshake?
Thank you so much for coming to play.
Alright. It's time for the hugs.
Bye, bye, bye.
Handshake, Mario? Do you know handshake?
Bye, bye.
Bye. And now the hug.
See you next time. Bye, bye, bye.
See you real soon. Gotta fly.
Perfect. Have a great time.
Woo! Me! Now that was fun meeting Mario, Luigi, and Pete. My favorite childhood video game characters. Especially, I've been playing their video games ever since I was a little kid. And now I'm 29. I think there's nothing wrong with, there's nothing wrong with too old enough to play video games. So it doesn't matter how old I am, I can still play my favorite childhood video games. It's called Childhood Reliving. Toadstool Cafe. Huh. I was hungry a bit, but I'll just eat it later. I'll eat that before 2 o'clock p.m., so I'll eat later. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna go play some games, as well as looking around the stores. Oops. I don't know how my back got. I'm surprised I got my Peach wrist just in case I might approach any cubes. Okay. And now it's time for the game now. Okay. Oh. Talk about waiting until my turn. Okay. I'll show you like this. Oh, okay. Huh. Okay, the other cube. Okay, it's working.
You messed that one up.
mic's not working unless.
Do some passive.
They got practice in the bathroom, right?
Oh.
Well, mine or someone else's?
Whoa! I don't know how much I could do it. It's making my arms exhausted.
It's making a sound every time it blinks.
The not blink sound.
Okay, now you can see my face.
Is it like timed? Is she still going? Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh! My wrist is a little off.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Phew, that's gonna take a long time to keep hitting it until I get enough coins.